are at the Nashville Motor Speedway. Good morning, we're at Cars and Coffee today here in Nashville. Let's check it out. No burnouts or excessive wrecking. Pretty cool.
What year is it?
68. Yeah, it's an Interceptor. 2008 Interceptor police engine.
That's awesome.
Really?
Yeah.
That thing's got some get up to it. That's
Well, it's hauling a lot of weight.
yeah, that's true. I think the tank though.
Subwoofer?
No. No. I don't like
Oh yeah, that's pretty cool. I didn't see that.
Oh my god.
Is that the air intake? The Roadster. Big old battery underneath. I-8. This is sweet. Now what you got here?
428 CJ.
What year is this?
65.
Oh dude, this is awesome.
Original paint, original split rims.
Look at these.
Out of Cali. You'll never ever see the 3/4 ton dog dishes. Took me 4 years to find 2 for the rear.
Really?
Awesome story, dude. Found them out of Kansas on eBay. Little farmer guy had them, mailed them to me. They're a little bit bigger than the regular F100s. The
Yeah.
250s are like an inch wider.
Yeah.
Guy mailed them to me, never got them. Month went by, 6 weeks. I said, hey man, I'm gonna have to get my money back. It's like $300, right?
Yeah.
And so they refunded me my money. I was just disappointed because I'd been looking for them for years.
Yeah.
And so, no bullshit, 3 months later, I get this box shows up on my front doorstep. Looks like it's been to Timbuktu and back, right?
Uh-huh.
Guy, the farmer had written in ink my address on a cardboard box. And so it got lost in the sauce. The label got damaged, right?
Yeah.
Somebody finally had the wherewithal to come over and look at the actual address through. It just made my day. So I had a return address on there. Went inside, I put a little thank you card together, saying, man, they actually made it here. Made my day. Here's the cash.
Here's your money.
Makes yours.
Oh, that is so cool.
Dude. Yeah, man. Got rid of the 2-piece drive shaft.
What is this?
TCI C6. Used to be a camper special.
Oh.
So from the factory, it had one of those old Alaskan campers. That's why the bed's so clean and everything. Came out of San Diego.
Wow.
This thing's awesome. I used to have nitrous on it too. Really,
No
really.
way, really?
It's super dangerous. That 428 gets it.
This little bag.
Yeah, that's their original windshield washer bag.
That's how they did that. Oh, that's so funny.
That's a Q code A scratch 428 forged pistons, Urson cam. I got low 8s on nitrous out of this in the 8th with those skinny ass little tires.
Wow.
Wow. It's a fun old truck.
This is cool.
They don't make them like this anymore. Got nice sound system in it.
Do you have trouble finding like parts for this? You know, other than tires, obviously, but
fortunately they made a lot of trucks, but
yeah,
they didn't make a lot of three-quarter tons. You just don't see the 3/4 tons.
Yeah. Probably got good power without the nitrous on there. You know?
Oh, it does. Yeah, it's like 400 horsepower.
Huge. Yeah. Cool.
It's got that original toolbox on the side.
Oh, here it is, camper special.
Did you load it all, or is it just?
Yeah. It's 4 pistons, Urson cam. That's a key. They've got tubes in the tires.
Yeah.
So you use a tire hammer and you pop that, you drain all the air out, pop that ring out, and then you can just swap out the tires and the tubes yourself. Which I've had to learn to do because I can hardly get anybody to do it for me. They're scared of them. But man, for original paint, it's pretty amazing.
There's not much rust on it either.
No, it's just surface bullshit. Look how clean the fenders are. I mean, it's so clean, it's not even funny, dude.
Yep.
It's softer than pita. It's like a shopper. Yeah. Like one of those jackets.
This one's just a little bit lower than that.
Very teeny.
Camaro.
Lethal voltage.
He's so
Is there a bunny in there?
Yes. so.
And he's not going to jump out of there?
He's pretty chill for the most part.
so
Yeah.
Look at this guy, he's so soft too.
He is.
That's what that is, the air. Look, wait. Pulls in the exhaust. Turbo on there. Turbo. I like that. I like the exhaust. Grand Prix. Yeah, he's got a whole panel. Does he have them labeled?
Yeah, cruise on and off, roll control. I can tell that says rev limit 1, 10.
Whoa, wait a minute. Might just be one, but
He's got a little breakup probably on this thing. Yeah. Look at
not
that.
bad. I think his was convertible.
Yeah.
So they drove it top down. Wide open.
You gonna do a spank for us? I don't know if this is gonna pick up the bass or not.
This is like one of those palm things, and then you can swipe and stuff.
Is that a
Press
shifter? The crystal knob in the center.
This one?
Yeah.
You mean the engine start stop?
Try it.
I doubt there's a key in it.
I'll go Pro Hero 10.
Bro, but look at the numbers. Oh my god.
It's sitting on the ground right there. Yes, you got a hitch on the bed. $295, $328. I'm gonna go with $348.
Alright.
So you're good, dude. You're good. You ain't got to change your intake, your actual intake.
Yeah.
LS3 heads. You ready?
Oh, they are LS3s?
Yeah. Yeah. So they're rec board.
What was that? 230. Yeah, not as much.